In a very common situation, we want to produce a report something like this based on the data from here. Typically, people will be start using filtering based on the date, based on the statuses, and based on some other criteria, and copy and paste to this worksheet to get the final report they want. So this kind of manual copy, paste, and filter can be automated using Excel alone. What you can see on the screen, it has a date and has statuses. And now I want to change the date to 1st of December 2018 for the status on hold. If I click display output report, Excel will display all these things where their dates will be according to the date range based on our data here. If I delete one of them, which is the first one, currently the number is 71204. I just delete the status and I go back here. 71204, it stays here. If I go back to daily report, if I click this button, it will redo the filter, copy and paste the job easily. If I do some changes here, instead of saying on hold, I want to see only those are closed. If I click, these are the reports, these are the data has been closed from the raw data. So by using Excel alone, we're able to automate certain kind of work, something like this, so that it make our work much more structured and systematic, so that we're able to have more time to think on the bigger picture. Eventually, we will think like our boss, or think like our manager, or think like our supervisors, so that is naturally we are able to progress forward and faster. My name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel.